In today's video, I am going to teach you how to test a Stripe checkout session. First, make sure you are already signed in to your Stripe dashboard and that you are working in the correct Stripe account. This is important if you manage more than one account because you want to run your test in the right place from the start. Next, switch your dashboard to the sandbox environment that you want to use for testing. Before you continue, confirm that the dashboard clearly shows that you are in sandbox mode. This helps ensure that your checkout test does not affect any live payments or real customer activity. Once you are in the correct test environment, create a new checkout session or open an existing test checkout session that you want to verify. After that, open the checkout session URL. This will launch the Stripe-hosted checkout page in your browser. When the checkout page loads, review the information shown on the screen. Confirm that the product or service details are correct. Then check the price and currency. You should also verify whether the session is set up for a one-time payment or for a subscription, depending on what you are testing. Now enter the required customer information on the checkout page. This may include a customer name and any other fields that appear during checkout. For the payment method, use Stripe's standard successful test Visa card number 4242, 4242, 4242, 4242. Then enter any valid future expiration date and any valid 3-digit security code. Complete any other required billing fields that appear on the page. When all required fields are complete, click the Payment Confirmation button. Depending on the session setup, this may say Pay, Subscribe, or something similar. Stripe will then process the test payment and complete the checkout session. After the payment is submitted, wait for the checkout flow to finish. Confirm that you are redirected to the success page or confirmation page that you configured for the session. This tells you that the customer-facing part of the checkout flow is working as expected. Next, return to your Stripe dashboard and make sure you are still in the same sandbox environment. Locate the checkout session that you just tested and open it. Review the session details carefully. Confirm that the payment status or completion status shows the expected successful result. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.